Oh, buckle up, folks, because DJI is back again. And this time, they're not just stepping into the arena, they're trying to dominate it with what could easily become the best action camera of 2025. The long-rumored and highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6, a device that looks set to redefine portable filmmaking, vlogging, travel videography, and extreme sports content creation in ways we didn't think were possible. Especially after the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which many believed was peak action cam glory, until DJI basically said, "Hold my battery pack, we've got more magic up our sleeves." The headline feature making the internet buzz is the never-before-seen smartwatch integration, which allows full camera control from your wrist whether you're using an Apple Watch, Garmin, or Samsung Galaxy Watch, making it possible to start and stop recording. Switch modes, track stats like heart rate, pace, altitude, and even dive depth without touching the camera itself, transforming your watch into a mission control hub for your adventures. Imagine sprinting up a mountain, diving into coral reefs, cycling across winding roads, or even skydiving and being able to check your oxygen levels, cadence, speed, and GPS data on your wrist while the Action 6 seamlessly overlays that data into your video footage for next-level storytelling. Now that's integration nobody saw coming. DJI is also spoiling Garmin users with exclusive metrics like cadence and power output, something GoPro and Insta360 haven't touched yet, giving athletes and content creators an entirely new dimension of performance storytelling. And the specs don't stop there. The Osmo Action 6 reportedly comes with a huge 1-inch CMOS sensor delivering crisp, cinematic detail, boasting an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range. A true game-changer for both professional filmmakers and casual vloggers who care about image quality, with rumored video modes including 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and silky smooth 4K at 120 FPS for cinematic slow motion. That's not just competitive, it's disruptive, especially when paired with DJI's legendary color science and possible D-Log profiles for maximum grading flexibility. But power needs endurance, and DJI seems to have nailed that too with a 1950 mAh battery capable of over 4 hours of continuous 4K shooting, which already trumps most action cams out there. Plus support for USB-C with DisplayPort potential, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring the Osmo Action 6 is as future-proof as it is rugged. Design-wise, leaks suggest it still carries the much-loved dual-screen layout, one front screen perfect for vloggers and one rear screen for traditional framing, while being waterproof, up to 20 meters without an external case, meaning scuba divers, surfers, and swimmers can take this straight into the ocean without accessories. However, what really has fans curious is the mysterious pill-shaped cutout beneath the front screen spotted in FCC filings and prototype photos, sparking wild speculation that it could be anything from a new microphone array to a gesture control sensor to some innovative feature we've never seen before in an action cam. Whatever it is, it's driving hype through the roof. There are also whispers of thermal optimizations, new grip textures, slimmer bezels, and a more rugged overall frame, small refinements that could mean big improvements for long-term durability and comfort. Another fascinating detail uncovered is the presence of two different battery sizes, 1170 mAh and 1500 mAh, strongly hinting at a dual-release strategy, where DJI offers both a standard Osmo Action 6 for casual creators and a Pro model for professionals needing maximum power, something DJI has done before with its drones like the Mavic Pro series, and if this plays out, the Action 6 lineup will cover both budget-friendly buyers and premium users in one sweep. Now let's talk timing. DJI has been consistent with its action cam releases. The Osmo Action 1 dropped in September 2022. The Osmo Action 4 came in August 2023. And the Osmo Action 5 Pro landed in September 2024. So all signs point to an August to October 2025 release window, with leaks, FCC certifications, and supply chain chatter making a late August or early September announcement very likely. Pricing is expected to start around $320 for the base version, with the Pro model potentially climbing into the $499–$499 range, still aggressive compared to GoPro's pricing structure. And while everyone's talking Action 6, there's another massive rumor circling. DJI may also be gearing up to launch its first-ever full-frame mirrorless camera in 2025, which would be a bold but logical move considering DJI already owns Hasselblad, the iconic medium-format camera maker behind the gorgeous X2D, and has decades of expertise in drone optics and gimbal stabilization. If DJI really does enter the mirrorless battlefield, We could see an incredible hybrid camera featuring high-resolution full-frame sensors, 40-50 MP, advanced stabilization leveraging DJI's gimbal knowledge, and cinematic video modes like 6K or 8K RAW with D-Log color profiles, which would send shockwaves through an industry currently dominated by Sony, Canon, and Nikon, while leaving Fuji relaxed since they're not in the full-frame race. Leaks credit this rumor to Andrea Panzini, a known industry leaker with a track record of both hits and misses, but DJI's official no-comment response on Reddit only poured fuel on the fire, keeping speculation alive. Now, why is the Osmo Action 6 being hyped as potentially the best action cam 2025? The reasons are clear. Its larger 1-inch sensor means better low light and image quality. Smartwatch control is a total game changer. The dual model release could offer something for everyone. Its waterproof ruggedness makes it perfect for extreme sports and travel vlogging, and its next-gen specs like Wi-Fi 6 and 8K video future-proof it for years. Combine all of this with DJI's history of pushing boundaries, and we're looking at a product that might finally tip the scales away from GoPro dominance. Whether you're a vlogger searching for the best travel camera 2025, a cyclist wanting performance data integrated into your edits, a diver chasing underwater storytelling with depth overlays, or a filmmaker chasing cinematic slow motion in a pocket-sized camera, the DJI Osmo Action 6 seems like it was built with you in mind. Add to that the looming possibility of a DJI full-frame mirrorless entering the scene, and it's clear 2025 could be DJI's most revolutionary year yet. So mark your calendars for late summer, keep your eyes peeled for DJI's official announcements, and get ready because when DJI swings, they don't just swing, they swing for the fences, and with the Action 6, it looks like they're aiming for a grand slam in the action camera world.